All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a little background on this worksheet now. So these are the figures that you're gonna need to look up in the book, or I put a link in the document at the bottom of this post. If you click on the link that says subplans, there's these pictures are in there, okay? So you can find the figures that you need, especially if you're homesick. You can do this with the link, okay? Make sure you're reading the captions, because a lot of times that's where you'll find some of the answers. So if we look down here, these are pretty easy, I think. What's the difference? How many energy levels are there for the s orbital? If you look here, here's our s. Notice there's one s, well actually s, number of orbitals, 1s, 1s, 1, and that's kind of follows all the same, p3, p3. Okay, that should help you answer a couple of the questions. Then it asks for what the names of the orbitals are, or the symbols. We're looking for these here, pz, py, or the first one was px, sorry, pz, py, px, okay? Those are the symbols for the 3p orbitals, number 9. So work through that. That should help you a little bit. None of these are going to have like hydrogen and an H in it. They're just going to have this coefficient letter and superscript, just like this right here. That's what you're going to have in your boxes. You're also going to color this. It's not going to look exactly like this, because I think P is purple, F is green, but I think these two switch. I think this is yellow and this is blue, because it says color S sky blue. So this is not going to match exactly. These two colors will be switched, blue and yellow. This S, you should start to see a pattern with everything that's here having an S in it, everything that's here having a D, and everything that's here F, and everything here P. So for example, they tell you fluorine 2p5, and this is supposed to give you a hint to the pattern. Fluorine is right here, so you're going to write 2p5, okay? And then when you do the rest of them, you're supposed to be able to try to figure out what the pattern is. So this one actually is going to be 3p5, okay? 4p5. This over here would be 2s2, okay? And there's a reason for this coefficient, this letter, and this superscript. You got to figure out the pattern. Now, when we go to the D and the F, it's going to make you mad, because it doesn't, once you figure out the pattern for the S and the P, it's not going to follow exactly for the D. This is actually going to be 3D1, 4D1, okay? And mine cut off here, but there should be another row. This is going to be 4F1, 5F1, okay? The last one here should be 4F14 and 5F14. This right here should be 3D10. I think that's enough information that you should be able to finish this video. Good luck, guys, and I should be back Friday.